What's up, UHS Hardware fans? It's me, Louis Felix, UHS Product Specialist, here in the studio to show you how to set up, install, and use the RemUnlocker remote renewal device and software by Bicotech. Inside the box, you'll find the RemUnlocker unit, a no-solder 4-wire cable, a loose 4-wire bracket, and a USB device cable. The no-solder cable features red and black alligator clips and yellow and green contact probes. First, connect the cable harness to the RemUnlocker unit, then plug the USB cable into both the device and your PC. Next, visit UHS-Hardware.com to download and install the RemUnlocker software. Once it's installed, launch the application and confirm that the serial number displayed matches the number on your unit. From the top menu, choose Hardware, then click Update. After the software updates, restart the program and open the Modules menu to select the remote type you need. On-screen instructions will show you the exact contact points for your PCB board. Attach the red alligator clip to the positive battery contact and the black clip to the negative. Then place the green and yellow probes on the highlighted locations. When everything is connected, select Renew and wait for your process to finish. Once you see the complete message, your board has been unlocked, wiped clean, and is ready for reprogramming. Start making money from useless remotes today. Find the RemUnlocker at UHS-Hardware.com now.